If your Toshiba portable air conditioner keeps shutting off unexpectedly, the first thing to check is your timer settings. The timer might be accidentally set to turn the unit off. Next, check the operating mode of your air conditioner. This is crucial for proper operation. Ensure your unit is set to cool mode, not fan or dehumidify mode. If it's in auto mode, the unit will automatically select cooling, heating, or fan based on room temperature, but you cannot adjust fan speed in this mode. Sleep mode can also cause issues, as it gradually increases the temperature, which might cause the unit to shut down. Deactivate sleep mode if it's enabled, and ensure your temperature setting is significantly lower than the current room temperature. For example, if the room is 80 degrees, set the AC to 71 degrees or lower. Finally, if you're using a remote control, make sure it's working properly. Check that your remote control is correctly paired with the air conditioner, has good batteries, and that you're pointing it directly at the AC unit when pressing buttons. These simple checks can resolve many shutdown issues. By checking these basic settings, timer, mode, sleep function, temperature, and remote control, you can resolve many common shutdown issues with your Toshiba portable air conditioner. If your AC settings are correct, airflow problems are often the culprit. A dirty air filter is the most common cause, restricting airflow and making your unit work harder. Clean your air filter every 2 weeks during heavy use. Use lukewarm water and mild detergent, then let it dry completely before reinstalling. Also check that furniture, curtains, or other objects aren't blocking your air intake or exhaust vents. The exhaust hose must be properly connected and not kinked. Next, check your water tank. Portable air conditioners remove moisture from the air, which collects in a tank. When full, a float switch interrupts power to prevent overflow. Empty the water tank regularly during operation. Some units display a P1 error code when the tank is full, which will prevent the unit from running until emptied. If airflow and water tank aren't the problem, consider electrical issues. The unit might be drawing too much power and tripping a circuit breaker, or you may have a damaged power cord. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, it's time to call a qualified technician. Professional help is needed for refrigerant leaks, compressor problems, or complex electrical issues.